Hello, my festive friends. Did you know that in Germany and Sweden, lollipops are a Christmas tradition? And guess what? I've got a fresh one straight from Santa's factory. Introducing Santa's Super Sticky Swirl. Whoa! Huh, what a funny name. Let's give it a whirl, shall we? What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! My tongue! It's stuck! Can I use sticky fingers? I think Santa did a new quality control elf! I'm starting to think this lollipop has a mind of its own. Hey, it finally popped off. Does anyone have any ice for a swollen tongue?